Okay, we're going. Right, here we come. Back up the hill we. Nick's obviously picking away. How we doing, Jay?
Tiring, but good. Another 150 to go.
Come on, Nick. Let's have a good pick. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Good mountains up there as well. Right, come on, Jay, show us what you're made of. These weigh about 100 kilos for all of you listening back home.
I thought they were 200.
No, that's the grande ones, 200. Good work. What we got coming up here now? Mr. Tony Holmes proving that he actually does some work. Here we got Callum, our leader.
Here we go.
Going up to the top.
Up top, please.
Up top.
And here, Tony.
Right. Adios, fellas.
Come on, Tony, put some effort into it.
You can't keep up with us. We're like a human conveyor belt with shit. With Adobe mix.
Is there a fresh one?
Is that on
You making a fresh one, Jem?
Yeah. Huh?
Don't tell us what you do.
Right, you've got to shovel the mud in and try and squish it down as much as you can into the corner. I'm going to compress it. Hadley's using his feet, I can't be bothered. And yeah, you just really compress as much as you can, fill it all out into the corner, smooth it over, lift it, and you have an Adobe.
2 to 3 weeks later.
Yeah, exactly.
my own sock as well?
Oh dear, it is hard work.
Alright, babe.
Babe, hey.
Done.
Everyone know you've got to pick all the big rocks out of it.
Oh, I haven't had any big rocks.
See from this side.
What's it feel like, Rich?
Pretty cool.
Cool temperature, or?
Mud! Mud! Mud!
Yay, just said to move in or whatever it means. I've got very good bricks. Very good,
Yeah.
They don't look as good as Richard's though.
How you finding it?
The guy just said I made really good bricks.
Are these your 4?
These are not that.
These 3?
Made yet. I'm waiting for some mud. Mud!
What are you waiting for, Simon Mud?
Roll them out of mud. Come here, Kenneth. Whoa.
Not that much, Ken.
Again, give me this.
Bloody hell, Simon.
Well, you just put it on your next brick.
Down here, Tony. Aaron, you got some more coming.
Yes, please. There you go. Mud, just a little bit.
No, you need a lot.
Well, yeah, we've got a little brick. The other ones are bigger, these are smaller. Oh, sloppy mud.
Perfect for your feet. Oh, it's going.
No, I don't want it all.
You show it to her earlier.
You've got rocks in your mud.
Get your rocks out, isn't it?
I reckon I've got a turning time.
Don't chop any
Yeah, there you go.
You haven't got a... Well, you need more than that, I think.
I don't. I might need a little bit. Thank you.
I don't need more than that. I might need a little bit. It's on video now.
Bloody rocks everywhere.
I've got some mud
Rich, are you on it, please?
Oh, chuck it all over.
Haven't you?
Number 9.
Ah, perfect.
More?
No,
Number 9.
It's only 6.
oh. Now I've got
please,
too much mud.
Just put it here.
You're pushing it forward. He told me to load from this side.
On these three.
How can you not go the other way, Si? How can you not go there?
This is where I've been going, it's where I was told to go. The main man told us.
Why are you wetting it, Simon?
So that it comes out the mould easily and keeps the square corners on the brick. Otherwise, it needs to redo it. Mud!
Yes. You're number 9 then, Rich?
Yeah.
What are you going for today? How many?
Today,
This morning till break?
till break, what time is it now?
I haven't got a clue.
That's my next one.
I reckon about 9:45.
I love you, bud. There's our water.
That looks a bit wet, that.
Sorry. Stop.
Can't believe it, using your own sock. Where are your shoes?
Dedicated is the cause. That's oh, is that yours too?
You've got 3 rows going.
Yeah.
These all yours, right, Emma? These all yours?
Yes, this is my 8. Does anyone need any more?
Rich, you've got a rival. Emma's on 8.
Emma's on 8.
Emma's on 8.
Rich is coming up to his 10th.
Yes, please.
This your 7th, Tabby?
Yeah. Cheers, Nick.
And you're the 6th.
How's it going?
Pretty good.
What do you have to do?
We're running wiring through conduit, so we're basically just cabling up the building.
People who don't know what's conduit.
Conduit is plastic pipe. Aidan's laying it at the moment. So first of all, we lay the plastic pipe in the wall, and that's fixed in. That's mostly been plastered over. And then once all that's in, we use this draw wire, which is a flexible, springy wire, to thread through the conduit. And then once we got that in, we use it to pull the wiring itself in.
Then you fit the sockets.
Yep, and after that, we go around the light switches and sockets on.
What are you up to, Sean?
I'm going to be pulling
The flexible wire through.
Okay, yeah, Shauna, you can pull away now.
Hold up, Sean. There you go. So what are you up to then, Dan? What do you have to do?
Terminate the sockets, they pull the wires through.
Yep.
Get sockets, just match them colours up.
And away you go.
Yeah, just a nice big square.
Easier than the yard.
Off from the yard, you get some more lectures.
So is it similar to the UK, like the...
It's slightly UK, but much more basic, so you haven't got your earths. The LCDs, everything's going back to one breaker. It's a bit... It's as safe as we can make it.
Yeah. So have we made it safer than it needs to be?
It's safe.
Have they said do it one way and we've done it a safer way, or...?
Yeah, we do it safe in the UK. It saves lives. We use residual current devices, I think they're called, RCDs. But yeah, you don't have any of that out here. It's just literally live neutral. And, going back to a breaker.
Yeah, that's true.